Hello, it's Patrick Reid, AUDCAD Principal. Some big headlines, taper talk from the Fed, right? Will they, won't they? I think someone needs to give them a chorus memo to say, look, can we sing from the same hymn sheet? Bostic, Kaplan say one thing, but yesterday we had a little bit of clarity from the main man, Jay Powell, when he popped into Princeton University. Essentially, he was just reiterating the dovish stance. Now, it was definitely buying into this rumor of risk, selling the dollar into the rumor. That, along with the 1.9 trillion fiscal package from Biden, meant that we were firmly selling the fact in risk and buying the dollar after these two events. So let's just look at the first chart, Eurodollar. Okay, look, the thing about Eurodollar is it really has this 121.75, very, very tough cookie to crack. And, you know, we tried to get above there a few days ago, went all the way back down, failed above this mid-Bollinger Band. And I've highlighted it just prior to that. It was a decent level, and it's so far so good respecting it. If we crack 121.28, we could be seeing quite a cheeky level there now, 120.65. On balance, the dollars are basically a game of two halves. But I have to say, despite the Fed backtrack, dollar's really taking it on the chin. Next chart. Okay, this is Aussie dollar, really within this trend channel. We're trying to bleed through this mid-Bollinger Band at 70.43. The next big kind of level for me is actually not 76.78, which is okay. For me, I quite like this 75.91. So there you have it. On top side, 78.19. That seems to be forming like a very nice top up there. But we really have to respect the technicals. We are still in this trend channel. The trend channel is going up. So, yeah, unless these two key levels break, 76.78, 76.96, that area, we just really have to respect it. Next chart. Well, for me, dollar yen, it's all been about 10-year cracking 1%, firmer equities, and guess what? Dollar yen was grinding up there. Then it was all chocks away, but it ran into a bit of a roadblock on 104.50, 104.47 on this chart. 104.50 at the time was a big trend line resistance. Now there was a backtrack on the Fed on tapering, 10-year yields backing off a little bit, but not going really to test that 1% again. So we're still looking quite good. That said, dollar yen's really testing the lows at 103.66. If this goes 103.20, I'm sure you get some buys down there. But so far, we're hanging in there in dollar yen with regards to 10-year yields. And finally, our final chart, Aussie CAD. Now, this is a technician's dream. 126.30 got fully tested into JPY yesterday. But as I said, it was selling the fact of risk. Therefore, the dollar had a bounce, a mini squeeze. And now look at we cracked through this kind of decent trend line, actually, 126.67. And now we're fully testing that mid-Bollinger Band at 127 and some change. That's it from me. My name is Patrick Reid, AUDCAD Principal. Have a nice weekend.